Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to revise the MCQs for 12th standard HSC board examination. So the video is related to the topic like identify the correct option. So this particular video is for geography subject for 12th standard HSC board students of arts and science. So let us quickly start with the first question. So in 2016, the lowest male literacy rate was in dash region. So you need to know the parameters which are in the year of 2016, 17, 18, 19. So this is one of the complicated question. So it may come in your board examination. So we have options like Central Asia, Sub-Sahara Africa, Southeast Asia and North America. So while answering such type of question, we should know that which is the least developed country, right? Because we want to see the lowest male literacy. So definitely if the male are less literate, means the country's development is also very less, right? So here very easily you can sort out from the options. The answer is Sub-Sahara Africa. Second question is, in 2016, male female literacy rate was the same in dash region. So now here you can see that even the male as well as the female are literate and their literacy rate is very similar. So which is the region? So we have options like Europe, South Asia, Sub-Sahara Africa and Western Asia. So here the right answer is Europe. Next question. The highest sex ratio in the world is recorded in which country? So we all know how to calculate the sex ratio. We have already studied in lesson number 1, that is population part 1. So the highest sex ratio, if we'll see the options like Ukraine, India, China and Afghanistan, the right answer here is nothing else than Ukraine. Next question. On an average, the world population reflects the sex ratio dash female per thousand male. So we have options like 667, 990, 1162 and 960. So here the right answer is 990. Okay, let us move ahead with the next question. There are females per thousand males in Saudi Arabia. So we have to tell that how many females are per thousand males in Saudi Arabia. So the right answer here is 667. Next question. In 2011, 48.96% population in India was engaged in dash occupation. So 2011, we need to see what was the progress in 2011. Currently we are in 2021, means 10 years back most of the Indian people were really engaged in primary occupation. Let us move ahead with the next topic, that is crude birth rate. The crude birth rate per thousand in India is, so here the right answer for this is, so options like 46, 12, 13 and 18. So the right answer here is 18. Next is the crude death rate per thousand in India. So we have options like death rate should always be less than the birth rate as we will see in India, because it lies in the second stage of transition. Okay, so here you can see the right answer is 7th. Now let us move ahead with dash continent has the least population. So we all know we have different continents. So each and every continent has its own speciality, own feature. Based on the favorable and unfavorable conditions, the populations are also distributed unevenly. So if you see the options like Europe, North America, Australia and Africa, so सबसे जो कम population है वो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Next is dash continent has the largest population. Now immediately we can tell the answer here, because we know China is the highest populated country, India is the second highest populated country, and both of them are in the Asian continent. So definitely Asia has the largest population. Next is dash continent has the largest landmass in the world. Now Asia ranks first with the population we have seen. It also ranks first with the area it covers. So Asia is again the first in the case of landmass. Next, dash continent has the smallest landmass in the world. So we again have the options like Australia, Europe, North America and Africa. So here the right answer is Australia, because it is one of the smallest landmass in the world. Next, we'll move ahead. Dash continent has the most landmass as well as most of the population. Now, where both the conditions are satisfied, it is only in Asia. Next, continent which has least population and least land mass. So again, go through the options: China, USA and Australia. No, its options are like South America, North America, Australia and Europe. So here the right answer is Australia. Next, country that has largest population in the world. So it is China, USA, India and Brazil. So there is a typing mistake. So here we all know the highest populated country today is China. So the right answer is China. So I hope this MCQ was very helpful for you all. You might have got a good revision of it. So keep watching the videos. I'll just keep on sending the updated revision videos. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel if you want to give the test. You can go in the description box and click the link below. Do like it and do subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.